All right, so after the Green Army plate room, you've got the aliens and the rings that you throw at them. And so there's a couple of things here. First off is, in the upper left and right-hand corner, you'll see little aliens that'll start at 1,000 points, but then pretty quickly they turn into 5,000 point ones. And so if you're quick, you're working with your partner in the middle. There's a middle, like, a spaceship, and there's like 8 or 9 little guys that pop up almost like whack-a-mole, 500 points apiece. If you and your partner work together and can get all of those down at the same time, then this monster's mouth opens up, and you're just feeding rings into the mouth to get tons of points. It starts out at 100, and once you get a certain number of rings in, then it goes to 500, and it keeps going. So the quicker you can get that open, the more points you can rack up right there. It's probably the biggest point hack in the game is getting that mouth to open early and dumping a bunch of points in. And then while you're working on that center area, every once in a while when that 5,000 point rocket jumps up, throw some rings over to the one on your side and rack up those points as well.